is Ravi Kumar. Today I am going to discussing about array iteration using for loop. So here I declared this is an array declaration. So using const keyword. So I'm using for loop. I'm going to iterate each and every element present in an array. So array syntax will be first. It is initialization. It gives initialization, and it's I less than. We are iterating over each and every element present in an array. So that's why I less than array dot length. Here array dot length will be 5, and index always start in an array use from 0 onwards, and length will be started from 1. I plus plus means incremented by 1. um, it is incremented, and here using console.log, we are printing an each and every element present in an array. So I'm taking initialization 0. You can take anything from 2. If you want to iterate from second index, you can take from 2, and third index you can take 3. So I'm taking here initialization to 0. I'm checking the output. To run any JavaScript file on Node.js without helping our browser, we need to install Node.js. So here first I need to navigate cd dot. I need to navigate. First, my parent folder will be JavaScript. Here are you able to see my screen, right? And then I need to navigate to that folder in array iteration methods. So rename. Okay, and I'm navigating to this folder, and here I'm printing uh, each and every array element in console using Node.js. Node file name means for with an extension. So here you able to see output of each and every element present in an array. If you want to print from second third index onwards, so here simply you can take from I equals to 2. So then again I'm printing node, and with file name, so node for.js. So sorry, I didn't save it, and you can say check now output. Yeah, 3 4 5 from second index onwards I'm printing using equals to 2. Yeah, that's it.